We'll guide you through how to create 3D models in Blender with this modeling tutorial. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you're using the latest version from 2025 or 2026, as the updates have made the interface more intuitive. Once you're in, you'll see the default layout with a cube in the center. This is your starting point for modeling. To begin, you can right-click on the cube and select Delete to clear the scene if you want to start fresh. Now, let's add a new object. Go to the ADD menu at the top left of the screen, hover over Mesh, and select the shape you'd like to start with, such as a sphere or cylinder. With your new object selected, press the Tab key to enter Edit mode. Here, you can manipulate individual vertices, edges, and faces to shape your model. Use the G key to grab and move elements, the S key to scale them, and the R key to rotate. For more precise control, you can enable Snap by clicking the magnet icon at the top. This will help you align elements more accurately. Next, it's a good idea to use the Modifiers tab on the right panel. Click the wrench icon to open it. Common modifiers like Subdivision Surface can smooth out your model's appearance. Just add it from the list and adjust the levels until you're happy. Remember to apply the modifier when you're done. To add details, you might want to switch to Sculpt mode by selecting it from the Mode menu. Here, you have tools like Draw, Smooth, and Inflate to refine your model further. You can adjust the brush size and strength using the tool settings on the left. Once you're satisfied with your model, you can go to File, then Export, and choose a format like OBJ or FBX to save your model for use in other software. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.